damnations. Plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion. The opinion was rotation. Number one is companion. The number two, oh conclusion. Number three is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion. And everybody in commotion. Yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number one is companion. The wife number two, oh conclusion. Wife number three is commotion. Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation. A Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution. A Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion. Everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion.
So now that we all understand what we're saying, let's remember, no shouting, no talking while you're eating. Just comport yourselves with the greatest decorum, okay? When you come back from school, do your chores, finish them, pick up your books and read them, okay? Then play with your toys, you know? Wait a minute, what's funny here?
Your father finds it difficult to bring money for food, and you are talking about toys.
Okay, no problem, no problem. We shall soon remedy that, okay? So, one moment, okay? Hello? Oh, hello, darling. Oh, how are you, sweetheart?
Fine.
How are you, sweetheart? Your kisses, honey. Yes, I love you too. Oh, yes. Another one. We'll continue later, okay? Yeah.
Let us know before they finish chopping our food.
Kisses, honey. Yes. Oh, I just love you too. Yes. Look, children, it's time for siesta.
Siesta.
Siesta is to sleep or rest, okay?
In the afternoon. I'm not tired now.
Sleep is not catching me.
Listen, you just go to your room, lie down on your bed and close your eyes, okay? Rest is good for children. Go! Go, 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 go!
Go upstairs. Rest.
Yes. Oh no, it was just a postman. Yes, he was ringing the bell too hard. I love you too, yes. Yes. Yes.
What you say people talking?
Anytime you say see me, babe.
Boo say you see me with
One tall like my babe like that.
Chai.
After you go the yarn say, we do it like say na me do pass.
Wait, which time I
Beg
am?
my ear.
Forget story.
Oh,
This is downstairs so me I'm hungry.
If you shut up and sleep.
Hey, God. This new Oyibo regime don't time me. Look at this small rat.
I weak because of civility. Rat like this don't get my begin yarn dust.
Jumoke.
Are you mad?
Ravi, you see Jumoke?
That's good.
But Musa says...
Shut up.
Outside this room, civility.
Inside this room, respect. Okay?
Yes. Yes, brother.
Good. Now, go and lie down and see Esther. Quickly.
Good job. See Tajuddin, I need some money for dinner.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh confusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of promotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of promotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of promotion.
Just imagine. That boy has upset my whole house, disrupted everything, simply because a man who did not train his child well said that me, Tajuddin Adeboale Fuji, did not bring up my children in the Oyibo way.
T. Musa has trained the children table manner, how to eat properly, and he has trained them not to abuse or curse each other. Is that bad?
And call me, hello, Papa. Is that good?
Tomorrow, that one will end. Tomorrow after I inspect, everything is come back to normal.
So, after the inspection, we are back to square one, Abi?
Once Musa is married, anything can happen.
You see, what kind of life is Musa going to live thereafter?
What concerns us? Once they are married and go to Kaduna, wetin concern Agberu with overload? Tajuddin Adeboale Fuji, Musuru.
We shall see. We shall see.
This is good. Very good. Oh, lovely. This is lovely. Ireti, how about the tart?
Oh, baking nicely.
Good, very good. And the tea?
Oh, ready to roll when our guests arrive.
Lovely. Just please take a look. Just sit down here. Oh, good. Now, children. Good. Good. That's right. Come on, children, come on. Jumoke, drop the book. It's not the right time, okay? This is it. Good. Yes. This is it. Your shirt, huh? Your shirt. Wear lovely. To the bottom, yeah. Good. This is lovely. Lovely. What was that?
Someone polluted.
Misa.
It's all right. It's all right. I mean, farting shouldn't cause so much rumpus here, okay? If you fart, you just say, "Excuse me," okay?
Excuse me.
It's all right, but please, try not to fart again today, okay? Very good. All right. I wonder where my father is now.
Don't worry, he will come.
I don't want him to come and spoil things for me. Those people are coming to inspect my house today.
Welcome to Bola Martins.
Thank you, darling. How are you?
Hello.
Hi,
Charming. Oh, how
Oh,
charming.
hi, Pops. How are you? Meet my mom, Kumbi.
Oh,
Right.
Kumbi, how are
Yes.
you?
And
How do you do?
those are my aunts.
Hello.
Hello.
And how are you? Good to see you. Hello, everybody.
Please sit down.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, thank you very much.
Tea or coffee, Chief Bola Martins?
Tea.
And some tarts to go with it.
Oh, that would be lovely. Thank you.
Isn't that lovely?
Excellent, excellent.
Jumoke, some sausages for you? No, thank you.
Oh, Musa. Oh, you have a most charming family.
Oh, I know. I know. That must be my father now.
Oh, really?
I'll just get the door.
Wonderful.
Oh, Mr. my
Chief.
Augustine. How do you do?
I'm well. How are you?
Hello.
We have been having tea with your most charming family.
Oh, in that case, you better meet the newest member of the family.
Who?
How are you?
This young, beautiful lady has just accepted to become my fourth wife.
Your wife in this house?
Yes.
Just only married me.
Who will be the fool?
To marry Papa and survive in this house?
No, Chief. No way.
It's magic.
No way.
Why now?
It is better they see a family back.
Please wait. I don't think so. What about the wedding? The wedding is off.
Come on, Daddy, don't be silly.
Come on, honey. Can't you see they're barbarians?
Oh, come on. Don't be silly, Chief.
Don't be silly.
Yes. Don't be silly. Isn't that civilized enough for you?
Look at this
Now,
barbarian.
stop, Chief. Stop. You cannot be calling us barbarians just because we cannot pretend to be whiter than the white man. Look at you. Your daughter tells you, hey, don't be silly. You too, you tell her, hey, come on, honey. You try that with my father, he will show you what fire does to the hair of a rat. If that makes him barbarian, Chief, so be it.
Come on, Musa, don't be silly.
As for you, Bisi, if you want to marry me, it is with my family, warts and all. Huh? And with a good dose of African respect and dignity, make your choice.
Musa,
Come on.
Daddy.
Come on, darling. Come on.
Oh, Daddy.
Come on. Get in the car. Let's get out of here.
I
Another wife in this house? No way. Impossible.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Go ahead. Welcome.
Peace.
Peaceful peace.
Mama Moji. Olówó orígi.
How did you cope with all that Yoruba big you were talking?
Look, dance, and dance. I enjoy myself.
Very good.
They are coming.
Thank you. The day Yejide and Jumoke are married, I will show you. I will surprise for you. Come on, there, Missy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hey.
Mommy.
Since morning, you're another bad time. Go and sit down. Where we take you down.
They are coming.
You see what I'm saying? Love you. Take it. Don't worry, I'm just leaving you because today is a happy day. Don't make that. See your trophy. They are here.
Ọkọ ló ń fọṣọ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń fọṣọ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń fọṣọ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń lọta ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń gbálẹ̀ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ṣoúnjẹ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń fọṣọ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń lọta ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń pọnmi ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń fọṣọ ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń
I hope they are doing it very well.
Yes.
ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń ilé àwádùn.
We have to put our show.
Ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń pọnmi ilé àwádùn. Ọkọ ló ń pọnmi ilé àwádùn.
Welcome. The time that you enter this house, you will know it for very good things. Good things will always happen to you in this house. But I have one small advice to give you. Stay well with your husband. Yeah? Do not go and be reporting your husband to outside. Yeah? May God not let you go and report your husband to the devil that will come and put God forbid. May evil people not put eye and mouth into your matter. You will born plenty of children. You will born plenty of children. You see, as I have invested in children, you see how we all came out today, all of us wear good clothes, they go up and down. We almost did not need to call another person. That is what they call good investment. If your husband decide to now invest in children, don't vex you. If you can born all this kind number of children, I don't mind, born them. But if you know you cannot born all the children for your husband, if your husband see that you fit not cope and you want to bring one helper or two helper, don't vex you. You see, he will be working to tradition from his great-grandfather to grandfather down to me. We all invested in children, and you see our life now. If you can born all the children for him, it's all well and good. Go meet your mother. I'm not your Pepsi again.
Adebisi ọmọ dáadáa. Welcome. This time you have entered my house, it will be good time. Very good time. You will born plenty children, which I will carry for my back. You will born twins. You will born threes. You will born fours. You will born plenty children. See everybody. See, you two, you will born plenty to join them. And look at all of them. All are your husbands. Yes. So you stay well. And stay well with your husband too. No quarrel. No fight. You see me and this and the you see fight? You all will stay happy. Very happy. Yes.
Ìyàwó àbíbèjì, Olúwa bá fẹ́ o. Ìyàwó àbíbèjì, Olúwa bá fẹ́. Ìyàwó àbíbèjì, Olúwa bá fẹ́.
Where do you think you are going? Come on, go back. Come on.
Just discussing.
You want to follow them?
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Creating practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, conclusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation.